today, and then other patterns we'll be seeing in next session. Okay. So harmonic trading is a methodology that utilizes the recognition of specific structures that possesses distinct and consecutive Fibonacci ratio alignment that quantify and validate harmonic patterns. These patterns calculate the Fibonacci aspects of these price structures to identify highly probable reversal points in the financial market. This methodology assumes that harmonic patterns or cycles, like many other patterns or cycles in life, continually repeat. इसे याद रखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. No need to. We are not going to give any written exam, right? You need to just understand the concept that it's a methodology in which we use a specific pattern which we have seen in the history. It has worked and it will work henceforth also. That probability of reversal is very high. That's why I chose harmonic as add-on for my method, because our demand and supply zone concept is many times we can say reversal method. Similarly, harmonics also is a reversal method. So it's a complementary. Okay. So prerequisites for harmonic pattern, we should have idea about Fibonacci series, not needed compulsory, but we should be knowing Fibonacci ratios. We should be knowing how to use Fibonacci retracement. We should be knowing how to use Fibonacci extension and projection. Right? Do we know all of this? Right? So we can proceed for harmonic. So important retracement value for harmonic. So if price moves from here to here, okay. This will be .5 or 50%, right? 0.5 retracement. Half of the price comes down. Price comes down up to this, then this is 0.382, this will be 0.5, this will be 0.618, this will be 0.707, okay, retracement we are talking about. It will be 0.786 and 0.886. So price is comes here and bounces from here. We say that it's bouncing from 0.38. Price is comes here and bounces from here. We say that price is bouncing from 0.5 retracement. If price comes here, we say 0.618. Okay. .382 retracement. If price comes from here up to this, what we say? Price is bouncing from next Fibonacci is 0.707. Then next is 0.786. Next is 0.886. Right? So these are the important Fibonacci ratios, right? 0.382, 0.23 we do not consider for harmonic. 0.5, 0.618, 0.707, 0.786 and 0.886. Clear? Any confusion in this? Right, so 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.707, 0.786 and 0.886. So how do we use it? So as I have shown here, 0.382, 0.5. So starting point we will be labeling A, right? Then end of current move we will be labeling B, and probable reversal point from where price will move up when it crosses B, then we will be labeling that point as C, and we will be D, right? We will be trying to find D. So harmonic trading ratios, these are the various ratios, right? 0.618, 1.618, 0.5, 0.786, 0.886, 1.13, 1.27, 0.382, 0.5, 0.707, 1. Need not remember because these will be plotted automatically in your trading view, right? Once only you have to input if it's not available by default in your trading view account, right? So once you input this, then there is no need to remember this. Okay, so we won't go how they are derived. One is square root. So you apply all the mathematical equations on these ratios and you will get other derived ratios. So primary ratios, as we have seen, 0.618 and 1.16. These are important ratios. Others are also important, but these are the primary ratios. And all other are primary, derived and complementary. Right? How they are derived, we are not going into those details. Those are not needed for us. That will only create added confusion. Okay. So, what is potential reversal zone? History has proven that a convergence of Fibonacci numbers and price pattern provides a highly probable area for a reversal. This area of convergence is called a potential reversal zone. When 3, 4 or 5 numbers come together within a specific area, you must expect the high probability of some type of reversal. So PRZ are nothing but like potential reversal zone. So what are our potential reversal zone if price is falling? As per what we have learned till now, yes, MDZ, MCDZ, flip zone and VRDZ are our potential reversal zone. If price is rising, what are our potential reversal zones? It will be MSZ, MCSZ, flip zone and VRSZ. Right? Those will be potential reversal for the when price is moving the potential reversal zone. So we have to try to confluence these zones with Fibonacci, various ways of Fibonacci. So usually harmonic pattern ABCD has 2 Fibonacci numbers which we try to coincide, and harmonics has 3. In addition, we will have 4 as per our zone, as per price action. Right? So the more the confluence, higher the chances of reversal. Okay? Clear? So that is meaning of potential risk. It's not nothing but it's the area from where price can reverse probably. So important harmonic patterns are AB equal to CD is a basic pattern which you will be getting in almost all the other harmonic pattern. Next is bat pattern, alternate bat pattern, Gartley pattern, crab pattern, deep crab pattern, butterfly, then cipher, shark, alternate shark. These are the you can say 9 in 10 patterns which I use because these are time tested and age old patterns. Now combining all the derived and complementary ratios, lot of patterns have came up. Almost we can say 40 to 45 patterns are there. Right? But I do not use all, I use only these basic patterns which are since age old we have seen. Right? So today we will be seeing only AB equal to CD pattern. And no need to remember name at present, you will remember as you go ahead and as you practice. So AB equal to CD pattern is a 4-point structure where the initial price segment is partially retraced and followed by an equidistant move from the completion of move. ABCD represents the basic foundation of all harmonic patterns. The C point will be a defining level for completion of the pattern. BC projection, here the word projection came, is important in ABCD, but most important is exact completion of AB equal to C. So what do I mean by? Let me check that. Okay. Let's consider this level as 100. This as 200. Okay. So this will be our A point. This will be my B point. When this will be B point? Only when I get a retracement, down move, right? Then only it will be my B point. So, what was the first sentence in the slide? First sentence was the AB equal to CD pattern is a 4-point price structure where the initial price segment is partially retraced and followed by equidistant move. So in this case, which is the initial move? A to B is initial move. Price initial move is seen. So it's a 4-point structure. So this is point 1 A. This is point 2, that is B. Here it will be point 3. But this point will be confirmed only when price goes above B point. Right? Once we get this, then this point will be confirmed. We will be labeling it as C. Right? So this is point 1, point 2, point 3, and our fourth point will be D. Where D will be there? It's our job to find D level. Right? It's our job to find D level. So what are the rules for that? When initial price movement is there, which is partially retraced, and price again starts the up move with equidistant move. Equidistant of the original move. So this is the original move. Right? So price from C will move equal. तो जितना A to B है उतना ही C to D रहेगा. That means if this level, if I consider that it comes down to let's say 168, okay, 38% we will consider 168. This level is one, so price retraced from 200. This we have labeled as 200. So price retraced from 200 up to 168, then started and again crossed 200. So where it can go as per ABCD pattern. So first rule is A to B जितना mathematical move हुआ है level पे, तो 200 minus 100, it will be 100, right? So D point will be how much? C point plus 100, that will be 260. Clear? This is one way. Means in TRZ for ABCD, we want two Fibonacci levels. So first Fibonacci is one way. One way of this is mathematical. So how we can find this? How we can? One is we'll go to the slide, so we will understand it. right? So A to B and C to D. So AB equal to CD. AB equal to CD. So C point can be, we have seen already, it can be 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, 0.707, 0.88. So इसके बीच में कोई भी रह सकता है, right? A to B. This is bullish ABCD. Means from D point we look for reversal, and this is bearish ABCD. From D point we look for reversal downward. Okay. So PRZ in ABCD pattern, how we have to find? So one is AB equal to CD, we have seen, right? AB equal to CD में जितना A to B move हुआ है उतना ही mathematical C to D move होगा. And second is DC projection. Reciprocal ratio of C point retracement of AB leg decides which DC projection to be used for defining PR. So you can take photograph of this table. I will be posting it in group, but for now, for understanding purpose, take photograph in your mobile or screenshot whatever of this table. Done. So now I am seeing price here is dropping from 1200 158 up to 11,935, right? Are you able to see bullish ABCD? Price dropped from here to here, then went up, retraced to some level, and then again crossed below this, right? So what will be, we will be calling this out of ABCD, 12158 will be our A point, right? We are looking at bullish ABCD, जिसमें it will be like this. Bullish ABCD will be like this, coming up, going down. So we want to find D point जहाँ से हमें buy करना है for up move. Clear? Price has moved from here to here. Again it's going up and coming down. Any confusion in this? This will be my A point, this will be my B point, and once price again breaks this red candle is formed, right? Then this will be my C point. A, B, C. I want to find D point. Okay. So where will be D point? You can read in the down. AB equal to CD. So 11,857 will be D point as per AB equal to CD. That means what we have done, you can calculate in your calculators also if you want to do it manually. What is our A level? 12,158.80 minus what is our B level? 11,935.30. So 11,935.30. So that's 223.5 points. And what was our C level? 12,081, right? 12,081. So 12,081.20. So the level coming is, we have to subtract 223 points from this level because it's a down move. We want to find D point. So that will be 11,857.70 will be D point as per AB equal to CD, right? Yes. Deduct 223 from 12,080. Now point C is at what retracement of AB? So what we have to do? We have to use Fibonacci retracement tool, downward one. Start from this point 12,158 and drop here 11,935. So your C point is coinciding with which Fibo? Retracement. Only Fibo means retracement. So price यहाँ से यहाँ drop हुआ, ऊपर जाके retracement करके price is again dropping down. So it's coinciding with 0.618, right? 61.8% or 0.618 retracement. So what is next step? We have known that it's moving up to this point. So now we have to use BC projection as per key point keyboard. So उसके लिए can you tell me in your table which I told you to take the photograph 0.618 के against which BC projection we have to use? Yes, it's 1.61. So यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने A to B we have plotted the Fibonacci retracement. Once I know that it's 0.618, इसका काम हो गया. I just remember 0.618. I deleted this figure. Next is I want to see BC projection. So this is my A point, right? 12158. This is B point. This is C point. So I have to draw Fibo from B to C. And when it will cross this B point, then there will be role of projection, right? So as per table, where should be our low? D point 1.618, right? So can you see 1.618 level was 845, 11,845. And as per ABCD, what was the D point? D point as per AB equal to CD was 11,857, and as per BC projection is 11,845. Are they coinciding? Can we say 845 and 857? Two ways of finding D point. One is AB equal to CD mathematical calculation, and other is BC projection as per the table given. So by these two methods, they are hardly 12 points away. So anything within 1%, we can accept it. Anything within 1%. Suppose what will be 1% of this? It will be 118 points, right? So anything within 1%, we can accept it. So we go long at where 845 and 857. These are the two levels. So earliest the better. So I will go long at 11,860. Right before the first Fibonacci level D point as per the calculation of AB equal to CD. That is more important. Right. So 1.6 minutes. So what we can say? Bullish ABCD. You can see what price did. Right? A, B, C, you can see 0.653, it's showing point, so it's near 0.618. And D point BC projection 1.618. I actually dropped it here, it comes down to this low level, so it will be 1.618. 11,845. And you can see from 11,845, price went towards 12,160 again. Right? So this was bullish ABCD, A, B, C and D. So what are the targets for this? For target we have to draw Fibonacci from C to D. From C to D Fibonacci draw करना है. उसका 0.38, 0.618 are our target. 0.318 and 0.618 are our target for that. And C point is our final target. So we would have booked it here. Here you can write down 0.382 and 0.618, and C point are targets of ABCD pattern, or in fact any harmonic pattern. When we enter at D point, our targets will be 0.382, 0.618 and C point of C to D Fibonacci projection. Of C to D Fibonacci projection. Okay. Now coming to bearish ABC, you can see price moved from here, came down here and again crossed this. So I want to find the D point. Right? So if I calculate this 12,038 was my B point, 11,802 was my A point. So B and A difference, when I added it in C, I got 12,119. I got 12,119 as per AB equal to 2, pehla method, to find the D point. What is second method? We have to go for BC projection, right? So point C is at what retracement हमें वो देखना पड़ेगा. We have to find that where is C point. So when I draw Fibonacci from A to B, Where is my point C? Coinciding with which Fibo? I have drawn Fibo from A to B. It's coinciding with 0.61. Right? So what will be D point as per BC projection? 1.61. So we have to delete this and proceed further and draw Fibonacci from B to C. And 1.61 is 12134. Right? 12134. So what are our levels? One is CRZ or D point is 12134 and 12119. Right? 12119 and 1. Are they within 1%? 134 and 119, right? Hardly you can say 15-16 points away. So they are within 1%, so they are acceptable, and we can say they are confluencing, right? So we go short here. And what will be stop loss in case of if you are entering at D point? Stop loss will be next Fibo layer. So what is next Fibo here? After 1.618, 2 is the next Fibo projection. So stop loss will be 12195 above, right? So you can write down stop loss for entry at D point will be beyond next Fibo in BC projection. So if as per pattern, if your entry is at 1.13, then your next Fibo will be 1.27. If your entry at 1.27, then next Fibo will be 1.41. Right? So since here entry is 1.618, next Fibo is about 2. Right? So stop loss will be beyond. So what you want to explain again? Stop loss. See, I am going short. This is D point, right? A, B, C and D point I have found. 12119 and 12134 are D point. Do you agree with this? Okay. So we are going to go short there. At D point we take reversal trade. Right? But if I go short at 12134, what will be my stop loss? So stop loss is next Fibo level. You can see the next Fibo. This is entry Fibo. Next Fibo in BC projection is 12193.70. So stop loss will be beyond it. In case of this, if we see this, then my stop loss next was coming around, I think somewhere 790 or somewhere, right? It's not available here also. Yeah, it's there. You can see this was 1.6 for long entry, and stop loss will be 11780 below. What is this? Is for long. A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D. Stop loss will be 1170 in this for this long position. Okay. Yes, long trade I have shown just now, and short trade both. So this was the bearish ABCD where entry was, you can see 12134 or 12119, and it made a high of 12157, and you can see it gave all the targets of 2 people, right? Down. So that's these are the powerful patterns. Now this was the Tata Global. Now it has been converted into Tata Consumer. If you people know, in 2000, I think 19 conference, I had shown this chart that I have entered short here. Right? I have shown this chart during Fibonacci ABCD pattern, and we will see how it goes ahead. Right? I have shown, and it was trading around these levels, around 400 or 390 somewhere. Right? So what we can see, price moved from here to here, right? then it started reversing from here and it crossed this point. So which will be, what will be this point 114? What you will label out of ABCD? This lowermost, yes, it will be A. Then 328 will be B. 177 will be C point, right? So how much is this move? We have to calculate based on that. So we will just what we will do. We will go to chart itself. So this was the chart shared that I have shorted this, and let's see what will be, where it goes down. Right? Stop loss, I think it was some about 421 somewhere or 425. It's Tata Consumers now. That was a weekly chart. It was this, right? 140. Right, so this was the swing high. Do you agree? 328, which we marked. This was the 114 level. C point is not defined yet because this will be my A point, this will be my B point. C point will be defined only when this B point is crossed on the upside. Right? Cross B point. Are you able to see? So this is my C point now. So what will be first step now? One thing is calculate mathematically A to B move, add it into C to find the D. Second thing is C, draw the Fibonacci retracement from A to B and see where it's coinciding. Where it's coinciding? Coinciding at 707. So what your table is saying? Where should I be looking for ABCD? 1.41, right? So there are methods which we can directly do. Now since you have understood, I will use the shortcut which we will be using. So are you able to see? From top 6 today, X ABCD pattern, right? Are you able to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here X ABCD and ABCD, you have to make them favorite. So here you can see this ABCD pattern is my favorite. So I know where is my A point. My A point is here. I will click on A. I will go up. I will click on B. I will click on C. So are you able to make out what is written here? Right, it's 707. That means it is calculating A to B retracement कितना हुआ है, how much retracement has happened. So it's C point retracement. So I will go to my table. अभी तो याद हो गया, but you people need to check that table. So I want to draw that. You can see I am getting the level here in this area. You can see 1.319, 1.334. So what I want? How much? 1.41. Because that exact level. So I will arbitrarily keep it 1.413. Okay. So what is my level? If I click on this, it's coming 390.85. Right? 390.85. So this is one method. Which method we have calculated this? As per BC projection. Right? Now we want to see whether mathematically equal कहाँ पे आता है, AB equal to CD. So for that what we can use? I can use plain Fib extension. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. इसका 1 जो आएगा, that will be equidistant move. Do you agree? I use trend based sweep extension 1 2 3 ड्रॉप किए मैंने. ये जो 1 आएगा तो ये जितना A to B मूव हुआ है उतना ही C to D will be moving, right? That level is 391.15, right? So once I know that level, I will delete this sweep extension. And so what is my PR there? 390.85 and 391.50. Clear? Any confusion in this? दो मेथड से हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं, ए बी इक्वल टू सी डी एंड बी सी प्रोजेक्शन. तो ये जो टूल ए बी सी डी विच आई यूज दैट इज गिविंग मी बी सी प्रोजेक्शन. यहाँ पे जब मैं ए बी और सी डालूंगा, इट्स शोइंग मी 707 इज द रिट्रेसमेंट. आई विल गो टू द टेबल एंड टेबल के हिसाब से मैंने 1.41 पे ड्रॉप कर दिया एंड आई रिटर्न डाउन टू 390.85 इज 1 PR. देन नेक्स्ट आई वांट टू कैलकुलेट कि ए टू बी जितना मूव हुआ है मैथमेटिकली उतना ही सी टू डी होना चाहिए. सो आई यूज ट्रेंड बेस्ड स्वीप एक्सटेंशन फॉर दैट. वो क्या दिखाएगा मुझे, यहाँ से यहाँ प्लॉट करूंगा मैं. आई प्लॉट फ्रॉम हियर. इसका जो 1 लेवल आएगा दैट विल बी ए बी इक्वल टू सी, right? So that's coming 391.50. So are these two levels coinciding? Yes, right? So I will go short here. Now for stop loss, what I have to do? I have to use Fibonacci retracement from B to C, right? So my entry Fibonacci is 1.41. So what will be my stop loss? Next Fibonacci. What is that? 421.85. So my stop loss will be, you can say, above 422, 50, above 422.50. Right? Are you able to make out what will be stop loss? So we will see what happens. Short entry, I shorted here at 390. Right? Stop loss was 422. And what? So once इसका काम हो गया, what I will do? I will drop a horizontal line at stop loss and delete this. So my stop loss will be above 423. Right? Short entry at 390. And what are my targets? Again, targets as I said, for target C to D Fibo डालना है, retracement. उसका 0.382 will be first target. That is 309. You can see, right? 3 and 3, 6 days target done from 390 to 360. Again, 0.618 is landmark target where we book maximum. And C we keep for trailing, but it didn't give the target for C. But you can see you got the move of 391 to 260. You can say 259. Right? How many points is that? And you can calculate the lot size and what profit you can get. Right? So this trade was shared before, after taking the trade, and price was here only. Right, so you can see it was 13th Jan, and I think that conference was around those periods only, 11th, 12th or 13th Jan. So it was at entry, and this was shared. If you, any of you have PPT, you can see that. It gave entry, didn't hit the stop loss, and gave beautiful target. Right? What is how to use it?